Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be playing Piggy. So we're doing Carnival, and I guess we're gonna do I don't know. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post a brand new video. Let's just do it. Don't do it yet. Don't do it. And now I want you to do it by the time it takes me to be able to play. I'm coming for you.
And also, guys, I'm her sister, and I'm also going to be playing with her, and I'm very, very excited.
Okay, so what I want is the red key. The red key, because, you know, that unlocks this, and it can get the wood, so.
Oh, the experience is full.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Shoot. Sony has the green key. I want red.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
I'm in.
Okay, Piggy just woke up.
Okay.
So we want the red key. So if you can, try and find the red key. Do you know? Yeah? Yeah, try and find the red key.
I can't. It won't let me in. Oh.
Ah! Piggy's on for 20 seconds. They're like, yeah, kind of like, As soon as I'm able to play again, I'll be back, guys.
Got the red key.
Okay, guys, so actually it's over, so now, you know, I'm just gonna like 75, I'm so close. I think I'm gonna save to be the mother like you. I want to get the creepy ones. Wait, what's the last one? So what's the last one?
The torture and the budgie. Oh, there's one named Billy.
This one looks the creepiest.
No, Ghosty does.
Yeah, ghosty.
Oh.
At least you don't actually become like a ghost and stuff. Okay, let's do player. Oh. Yes, I just made it, so we're doing player. But it better not be one of us. I don't really want it to be. So. Oh yes.
Oh.
Probably because you lost last round.
What are we doing, Carnival?
I don't know. I really didn't vote. Oh, yep.
Oh.
We are.
What?
This is Carnival.
Oh my god, I was supposed to be. Oh, Mr. Potato owns this.
Oh yeah. That's why this is here.
Yeah. I'm coming for you.
Well, you're not gonna get me. Maybe you might, cause like, I'm kind of bad at this game. Red key. Where's the red key?
I got the blue key.
Okay.
There's a purple key there. Someone get the purple key.
Somebody's gonna get it, not me.
Oh, the green key. We need the green key.
Oh yeah, I don't know where the green key is.
Lady, follow me.
Anna, did it work?
Yeah.
You shut my door now?
No.
Okay, guys. So sorry about all the background noise. We need to find like the orange and stuff. We have to find like a lot of stuff actually.
Purple things in here, lady. Follow.
I found ammo. I kind of want to do infected, but not really.
Gun.
Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try and find the ranch. Let's try and escape. It's like the ranch and stuff.
No one's found the red.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, I got the green key. The red key's in there. Why the heck am I so stupid sometimes?
Wait, where's the red key?
In here.
Wait, where? I need to get that.
Get the plank. Where are you?
I'm near the place where you put the red key.
That lady's gonna get the plank. Nope, she's gonna get the bullets instead.
So where do I go? Wait, here? In here?
Get the plank.
There, let's go. Oh shoot, 1. There we go. So now we can literally work together and do this. That's it.
Hurry.
This is where I come into play.
Let me get the wrench, please.
I don't have the wrench. How do I put this on?
Place it. Hurry.
I don't know how.
Can you
help?
Towards it.
I'm on like here.
Walk towards it. Let me get the wrench.
Yeah, get the wrench. What's that blue stuff?
Get the blue thing.
Got it.
Okay, I got the wrench. Now I can do and complete. I don't think Piggy's actually trying.
Yeah, well, it's okay.
Where is?
Wait, did we already do the green key thing?
Yeah.
Okay. You just want to make sure you know?
Yeah. Nothing's in here, is there? No. Oh.
Oh my god, Piggy's gone.
Oh.
That means she shot him. Good job.
Oh.
Is he like stuck in here? Wait, what's the gold key do? Do you want the gold key?
How am I supposed to get this?
Do you want the gold key? Do you know where it goes to?
No.
Do you know where the gold key goes to?
It's the way here.
I have the gold key. That's what was in there. And I don't know where it goes, so.
Oh, that's an orange key.
Wait, you have the wrench.
Yeah. I can't find it.
Neither can I. Wait, where is it?
Oh, I think I know where the other one is.
I'm trying to think where it is. Oh my god, I know where Piggy is. I'm so scared of her. I don't even think he's trying now. Okay.
No!
Did you just die? Did you die?
Girly, I wanted that.
Wait, where did the... Where did the...
Rude.
I found the white key.
Give it. Marissa, no, please don't take it.
I need to.
Ha!
You're rude.
She needs to complete the game first.
Guess I'll get the wrench. Where does this go to?
Where are you? Oh, she got it.
I'm where you put it. Are you gonna unlock it? Lana?
Yes. Oh, where the heck is that girl going? What is she doing? Where are you? Did you just exit?
Yeah,
How?
because another girl did it. Leveled up.
Rizzy, there's no such thing as two white keys.
No, she had like a plank thing.
You can't
like,
do
oh,
that!
It was like a white thing though. A white plank.
Skip it.
Okay, guys, we just beat Piggy.
I think one of the girls are still here.
Oh, so I might be able to become a mother.
I can go on for days and days because I do the most.
Wait! Multiple people are still in.
The game's over.
I mean, they're gonna have to... Oh, good. 'Cause I don't want to wait. No, actually, I'm not... I escaped. Woo-woo! Okay, let's go to skins. Ooh, skins for book 2.
What?
Skins for book 2. I have 70 coins. I only need 5 more.
Back. So what do you have? 100. Get that.
Get this?
No, don't. That.
This?
Yeah.
Get
up.
250
Get it.
piggy tickets. What does that mean?
Oh! Now we can go into the skins.
Back.
Skins.
You don't need. Leon, what?
You have 320.
Wait, we can buy something else.
Yeah, but don't. Save up. Oh, we have to play now.
320.
Carnival. Okay, good. Play it.
300. 10. 15.
Please.
Should I save for this?
Just in time.
Well, I didn't really need to do that, though. That's the problem. Should I save for this?
I think you should save for the most expensive one.
This one? They gave me so much. Can I do that multiple times?
Oh my god. Play.
Ah. Okay, guys. Well, I'm literally like so struggling because like, you know how like it's kind of like weird because like I don't know like
Saying like.
I know I should put a counter down below like how much times I sound like. Okay, somebody needs to find a red key. Red key. I care about red
Red
key.
blue. Where are you?
I know where the red key is, but we need the green key. Don't we?
Where is she? She has an orange.
We need the green
Get
key.
the orange key.
I don't really need it.
Okay, get the blue key.
No.
You need that.
Somebody needs to think and do this.
Get the blue key.
Fine. Got it. Somebody needs to get the green key. Do you know where the green key is?
I have an orange key.
Because that gives you the red key and the plank, right?
Yeah, and bullets. But we don't need that, Marissa. We're too... No, come on.
Does somebody have a green key? Where the heck's the green key?
Just gonna send it.
Is the green key where you just unlock?
Got the white key.
Okay, well, you should stay with that the whole round.
Oh, there's a yellow key.
Oh my god. The mother actually looks kind of cool. No, I think it's the angel. Does anybody have the dang green key?
Marissa, come over here with the blue key.
Piggy's following
You know where
me.
the exit is?
Piggy's following me. Wait, where?
I can't change my gun. What's happening?
I got the blue key out. Where is it?
Come on, over here.
Is Piggy following me?
Yeah, but hurry up. Go. Unlock this. We need this. Go. Purple key. She needs to unlock
She
that.
has it.
I'll distract. Girlie, don't distract. Oh. Oh.
Wait, is he?
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. She needs to unlock him. But we need the green key. And because then we can get the red and stuff. So try and find the green key. Unless if somebody has it.
Sucker.
Wait, does anybody have the green key? Like, I want to know where it is. Somebody has the green key.
Yo. Oh my god.
Are you serious? We need that.
I'm just gonna tell a Piggy to kill him.
Come on, follow me, Piggy. Here. It's right here, bro. He's being really dumb.
I don't even think he can understand English, actually. Ready? Go see the thought. Go! Never mind. Don't! Yeah! He won't kill you. Just so you know. I have the white thing. Bingo.
Bingo, so now all we need is a wrench.
I need this yellow key.
So, you know, since he doesn't want to help, it's fine. I don't really care anymore. He's being dumb.
Where's the thing for the yellow key? Oh, she got it. Oh, gun. Oh, she's good at the gun.
Yeah, she actually pretty is. Don't go on that trap. You got the gold key?
Yeah. And it's right in
Come on, somebody. Oh my god. They're so... The person who has the green key, like, come on now. Like...
I got the hammer thing.
Oh, that's great. Now all we need is those blocks. How do we get the blocks?
Hammer! Bye, Piggy.
Don't we kind of need the green key to do it?
I have the hammer. Yeah, we do, because the plank's in there. And the wrench is up there.
So he needs...
I have a hammer. So I'm going to go to the exit.
He needs to let go, though. Like...
Please, he's just being stupid.
Say...
Why are they being stupid?
Say follow me.
He's literally right there. Unlock the door. No!
Right here, dum-dum. Do you not see the green padlock?
I gotta go unlock the door thing.
He's... Oh my god.
Oops. Wrong way. I don't want to.
I'm sorry, guys, but, like, you being dumb. You. Yeah, you. Yeah, you see it's not over there. Where are you gonna go, dum-dum?
No! I didn't get to do it!
Oh my god. Why don't you pick up a blue key instead? Like...
Marissa, they're guarding it! No!
We just got out. Are they guarding the green door?
No, they're guarding the exit door. I'm scared, Rizzy. I'm scared.
I'm gonna try and distract. Why do you need it, though?
Rizzy, I got the hammer!
I'll help.
Go distract! They suck. Rizzy, press your sprint button. It's good.
Gone. I don't have a sprint button.
It won't let me! Riz!
You need to go. It's because you need the wrench for here.